The Lortsybab 2-in-1 stroller is designed with versatility in mind, allowing parents to choose between a high landscape configuration or a more traditional setup for their baby's viewing pleasure. This stroller features an adjustable canopy with sun visors, providing excellent protection from harmful ultraviolet rays and adapting to various weather conditions to ensure baby comfort. Safety is a top priority with its anti-shock design and 5-point seatbelt system, offering peace of mind while navigating different terrains. Parents will appreciate the stroller's multifunctional nature, with durable EVA rubber wheels that handle all kinds of roads and a spacious storage basket for essentials. The stroller's one-hand quick folding design makes it incredibly convenient for both travel and storage, accommodating the needs of busy families. Designed for babies from newborn to 36 months, this stroller includes features like an adjustable handrail and foot cover to keep little ones cozy in any season.